In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split view in Google Sheets, a handy feature for those working with large spreadsheets and needing to manage data more effectively. Whether you're juggling multiple data sets or simply need to compare data side by side, mastering this feature can help streamline your workflow significantly. To start, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one yet, head over to Google Sheets and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing document. This is your first step towards setting up a split view that will allow you to navigate through your data efficiently. Once your Google Sheet is open, you're going to want to click on cell B2. This specific cell is typically where users begin a split because it provides a clear and manageable division point for your data. By clicking here, you're selecting the column line you plan to freeze, allowing easy navigation between separate sections of your spreadsheet. Next, go ahead and click on the View menu at the top of your screen. The View menu is where you'll find a variety of display options that can alter how you see and work with your data in Google Sheets. Among these options is the crucial Freeze function, which we'll use next. Within the View menu, look for the option labeled Freeze. Selecting this will allow you to make rows or columns remain visible as you scroll through your spreadsheet. By freezing them, you can ensure that specific headers or key pieces of data stay put, aiding your ability to cross-reference and track data as you navigate the sheet. After selecting Freeze, you'll see an option to click on Up to Column B. Choosing this will freeze everything up to column B, letting you scroll to the side while still keeping those columns visible. This step is essential because it lays the foundation for the split view you are creating. Now, move your mouse pointer in between columns B and C. This can be a bit tricky as you're looking for the moment when your pointer changes shape. When your pointer transitions to a hand icon, it means you're in the right place to start manipulating your columns for a split view. Once you've found this hand icon, click and drag the line over to column J. This action is pivotal as it establishes the extent of your split view, letting you isolate columns to one side for closer inspection or separate projects. Finally, from column J, use the scroll bar to move to the right. This will complete your setup, fully activating the split view and allowing you to freely scroll through your entire dataset while still keeping your important static columns in view. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a split view in Google Sheets, making your workflow more organized and efficient. With practice, you'll find it an invaluable tool in managing your data more effectively.